Hey traders, Arjun here. The first 30 minutes of the market are pure chaos. Institution buying, retard panicking, algorithm fearing. But here is the secret. That chaos creates a range, and that range decides the direction for the rest of the day. Rahul just discovered this, and it changed how he trades Bank Nifty forever. Rahul learns Opening Range Breakout. The Opening Range Breakout, or ORB. The concept is dead simple. Mark the high and the low of the first 15 or 30 minutes of the market. This is the opening range. Nothing else. Just two lines on a chart. The highest point reached between 9:15 and 9:45, and the lowest point reached in the same window. These two levels become your battle lines for the entire day. Why does this work? Because the first 30 minutes is when institutions establish their positions. Big money moves in the first half hour. Mutual funds, FIIs, hedge funds. They're all placing their bets. The range they create shows you exactly where the battle lines are drawn. The high is where sellers stepped in. The low is where buyers stepped in. When price breaks one of these levels, it means one side has won the battle. The rules are simple. Step 1. Wait for the range to form. 9:15 to 9:45. Do nothing during this time. Just watch. Step 2. If price breaks above the range high, buy. Your stop loss goes at the range low. Step 3. If price breaks below the range low, sell. Your stop loss goes at the range high. That is it. Wait, watch, and trade the breakout. Bank Nifty opens at 9:15. The first 30 minutes are volatile. Price swings up and down. By 9:45, the range is set. High at 52,400. Low at 52,200. A 200-point range. At 9:48, Bank Nifty breaks above 52,400. This is the buy signal. Rahul enters long. Stop loss at 52,200. How to set the target. The target equals the range height added to the breakout level. The range is 200 points. 52,400 minus 52,200 equals 200. So the target is 52,400 plus 200 equals 52,600. Simple math. The range height projects the expected move after the breakout. Not every ORB works. You need filters. 1. Only trade ORB on trending days, not range-bound days. 2. Check if Nifty is above or below VWAP for directional bias. If Nifty is above VWAP, only take ORB longs. Below VWAP, only shorts. 3. Avoid ORB on expiry days. Expiry days have too much option-driven noise. The breakouts are unreliable. These 3 filters will save you from most false breakouts. Bank Nifty pushes higher after the breakout. 52,450. Then 52,500. Then 52,550. Rahul does not wait for the full target. He exits at 52,550. 150 points profit. Not the full 200, but a clean, disciplined trade. Partial profits protect capital. One last secret. The size of the opening range matters. A narrow range means compressed energy. When it breaks, it explodes. A wide range means energy already spent. Breakouts from wide ranges are weak and often fail. The ideal opening range is 0.3 to 0.5% of the price. For Bank Nifty at 52,000, that is 156 to 260 points. 200 is right in the sweet spot. Rahul's opening range breakout rules. 1. Mark the high and low of the first 30 minutes. 2. Buy above the range high. Sell below the range low. 3. Stop loss at the opposite end of the range. 4. Target equals range height added to breakout. 5. Use VWAP filter for direction bias. 6. Avoid expiry days. 7. Narrow range equals strong breakout. Wide range equals weak breakout. The opening range is the market telling you its plan for the day. Most traders ignore it. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.